Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Cigna account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To reset your Cigna account password, start by navigating to the Cigna website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. Click on the login button, which is usually located in the upper right corner. Next, you'll be redirected to the login page. Locate the Forgot Password link, often found underneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your registered email address or username. Carefully input the required information and click the Submission button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Cigna. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Open the email and look for the password reset link provided. Click on the link, which will take you to a secure page for resetting your password. On this page, create a new password that meets Cigna's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've entered your new password, look for the Submit button and click it. After successfully updating your password, you should see a confirmation message. Now, return to the Cigna login page. Enter your email address or username along with your new password. Click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, revisit the password recovery steps or reach out to Cigna's customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.